ETH, we start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. If we refer to what analysis in my last video, when the price was at the top here, we mentioned we can expect the price to drop, and this is exactly what we see. Now we want to see what's the next. If we put this top relative to the previous one, if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. Okay, now we want to see whether we can look for this one drop somewhat similar to what we get here. We can look for this one as a flat for one move up if I remove everything, or this is the start of the down move. First of all, if we want to look for this one, we consider this is the start of the down move, we have to look at this one as a bigger flat, which I explained in my last analysis. And if we move to forward chart, this is it will be more clear. Can we consider this one as a flat in relative to this for one more drop, or at least we get a deeper correction? Okay, but we don't see any information based on forward chart that this one is going to start to drop. And we haven't, the price haven't tagged the previous top, which is around 3K. Okay, that's why we cannot confirm. But if we get any sales at top, still we can look for. All right, now how we can look at this? First of all, still we can look for buy, and we can, if this one drops some more, we can put this one in relative to each other as a running flat. Then if we get any reversal, any trade setup for buy, and if we get the buy, this is the target 3050 first, and the second one 3240 if we get a reversal. And we're putting this one as a, looking at this one as a running flat. How deep it can go? If we get one more drop, we can expect the price to drop to 2580. Even the price can break, okay? But if we want to reverse reversal, and I mean if we want to look for buy, at least let the price drop to this level, because from there we can look for reversal. It doesn't mean the price cannot reverse from here, but if the price reverse from here, we cannot get a really good trade setup. It depends on the traders. Then if we get any sell from here, also we can look for sell as a short-term sell. That means we get one, we can look for sell, and if we get any sell, we can expect the price to drop to 2580. We consider as a target. Then if there is a continuation, we keep the trade. Okay, but if they see the prices cannot continue, I start to correct, because we know we're looking at this one as a flat for reversal, then we can take out the trade, and from there we look for buy. The reason is if we get any trade for sell, we can look for, in case this is the start of the down move, because as I mentioned, we cannot confirm. The only thing is we have a divergence. All right, beside that, since we're waiting for this one to give us the drop for flat for one move up, we can look for the short-term sell within this move. Then for any reversal, we can look for buy. To look for sell, it depends on traders, whether they want to get or not. But mostly we're looking for buy. It's still we're looking for buy. And if I move to daily chart, the only things we can highlight here, because we mentioned we can expect the price to consolidate here for longer time. All right, we have nothing else. The only thing is if we get the correction here for continuation. Right now we cannot confirm which one we're looking for, because the still will, I mean, based as I explained, based on 1 hour chart, still we can look for buy. And if we move to forward chart, just now we discuss, and again, if I move to 1 hour chart, let this one drop some more. We mentioned how deep we can look for at least, and if we get any buy, then from there we take the trade. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.